Hello, today we're going to learn how to find the percentage of a quantity. We're going to do these four exercises as practice for you to understand the process completely. The first exercise says we have to find 75% of 32. And in this case, we're going to take the amount or the quantity, that is 32, and we're going to multiply it by the percentage, in this case, 75. You know how to do this multiplication, so let's do it really fast. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3, 15, plus 1, 16. Then you add the magical 0. And then 7 times 2, 14. 7 times 3, 21, plus 2, 22. Then you add 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 4, 10. 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4. And 2 plus nothing is 2. So this is the result of the multiplication, but we haven't finished here. So the first thing we need to do is we need to identify where is the decimal point in my result. As you know, if the result has no decimal point, that means that the decimal point is invisible and it's right here in the end, right? So we're going to put it here. This is my decimal point. And now the final step is we need to move that point 2 steps to the left. So in this case, 1, 2, my new decimal point is here, and I'm going to get rid of the zeros after the point. So 75% of 32 is equal to 24. And that's it. It's super easy. If you want, pause this video, try to do the second one, the one of 50% out of 48, and then you play the video to see if your answer is correct. Let's do it. So you take out the quantity, in this case 48, you put it here, and you multiply it by the percentage, that in this case is 50. Once again, you know how to do these operations. 0 times 8 is 0, 0 times 4 is 0, magical 0. 5 times 8 is 40, so you put it here. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 4, 24. So you add 0, 0, 4, 2. And now remember the last part that is really, really important. I'm going to do it in another color so that you remember. We identify that the decimal point is here, because we don't have decimal point. We move it 2 times to the left. And look at this. It's the same answer as the first exercise. So 50% of 48 is, sorry for the color, is 24. And it makes sense, right? Because 50% is the half. And 50% of 48 means half of 48. And half of 48 is 24. So it's correct. Let's look at the last two. Once again, if you want to pause this video to do it by yourself and then check your answer, you can do it. Let's start. The quantity is 40. So I'm going to multiply 40 times 30. That is the percentage. 0 times 0, 0. 0 times 4, 0. I put the magical 0. 3 times 0, 0. 3 times 4, 12. I add 0, 0, 2, 1. And now, with another color, I identify the decimal point. I move it 2 times to the left, so it's right here. So the answer is 12. Easy peasy, right? Let's do the last one. So my quantity is 120. I multiply it times 15. 5 times 0, 0. 5 times 2, 10. 5 times 1, 5. Plus 1, 6. Sorry. Plus 1, 6. And now magical 0. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 2, 2. 1 times 1, 1. Now I add, and we have 0, 0, 6 plus 2, 8, and 1. Once again, the last step, you cannot forget it. You identify the decimal point, in this case we don't have, and we move it 2 times to the left. We get rid of the zeros, so 15% of 120 is 18. That's it. I hope you can apply this to your project. Bye-bye.